right, what's going on, everyone? I think you for sure saw a video of us the other week where we had the most modular build-it-yourself skate park that we've ever had, and it was because Ramp Tech sent us their skate tables and their 5.0 grind rail. We were able to do a bunch of really cool and really fun stuff. Well, there's more now because Ramp Tech has a new version of their 5.0 grind rail that they sent us 2 of. And what we're gonna do is make the longest grind that we possibly can with all of this Ramp Tech stuff. We're basically building like the mega grind with all Ramp Tech skatable things. So stay tuned. We're gonna build this. We're gonna skate it section by section, add on more and more and more until the grind is as long as we can possibly make it. And we'll see what kind of tricks we can do on it. But I hope you guys are stoked. Stay tuned and leave it in the comments below. What do you think is gonna be the final length of this grind? We wanna know what you think.
All right. So Rick, you are the expert in Ramp Tech technologies.
So do we know the difference between V1 and V2? That's what I'm trying to figure out.
A fantastic question, Rick.
Sometimes it's about asking the right questions, you know?
I have the answer to your question.
And can we get some appreciation in the chat? I'm wearing a puffer and other people aren't wearing a puffer.
Whoa.
So it says the 2nd gen 5.0 rails were sent. Multiple rails can connect end to end, literally forever with the connector piece. Each rail comes with 2 connectors, one for the middle, one for the ends. And the center feet now spin to be parallel with the rail. So now you don't have to worry about hitting the middle leg.
They're
when
genius.
You're skating.
I'm not gonna lie, that was my biggest worry of this video.
And the feet are triangulated for extra strength. So in the 2 weeks that our video has been out, they already made version 2 and they fixed all the issues that we even had with it. So Ramp Tech 2.0, let's go.
Oh look, this is different too, extra support. So what you're saying is you can pivot this.
The middle one is pivotable in the middle.
Pivotable?
Is that a word? You said that's good?
Yeah.
Oh, dude. All right, what's going on, Dan?
I don't know. I said what he was having.
So what we're going one at a time here.
We're just skating the one
we're
we
gonna skate one, then we're gonna add the second one, then we're gonna add the third one, then we're gonna add the tables.
Okay.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What? Woo! All right.
Okay, phase 1 is complete. That was version 1 of the rail. So it wasn't the things we unboxed just then. But now, I guess we'll give a little demo of how to connect them.
Oh, yes. Easy.
I'm that guy that says they got stuck. "13 feet and 3/4 inches.
Rick. We're going on to rail number 3.
Yes, indeed, we are, sir. Rick has completed the final section of the rail only. But remember, we have the tables too, so we could even add them on the end. But going from rail to table is an interesting dynamic. But like what we were saying, you can turn some of these around. So on that one, we can't because that was V1, but on V2, you can choose. So it gives you a bit of an interesting idea to choose, like, should I turn this one? Should I turn that one?
With the same amount of support.
Exactly.
So we're looking at 19.6 feet of rail right here.
Oh, really? So that's smaller than our 22. But what I was saying is sick is, like, I could put all of this in my car, drive to random place, and pull out long rail. Like, that's pretty legit.
This is longer. This is shorter than what rail?
Easy. No front grip. Holy butter. Unbelievable. Oh my. Damn! Don't you go to fakie now, Rick. Don't you go to fakie now. Damn! Wow! It's a front lip!
Trying to do feeble.
Oh, really?
But I'll take that.
Oh! We got a little combination pizza party going on now. Oh! Get his back! What's the strategy, Rick? Boxes at the end or at the beginning?
At the end.
Oh my God! All right, Rick, so we're adding the tables to the end, and that is the final addition to the puzzle.
We're doing the two tables together and then right on the end of the rail.
And so yeah, it's rail first and then safety table at the end.
If in theory you were doing a feeble grind, when the tables come at you, you better change it up.
All right. All right, we are here at the finale.
All right, version 1 rail, then there's the 2 rails, then we got the 2 tables.
We are at a grand total of 26.95 feet.
Wow.
Nice. So what's crazy, Gabe? You know when I did the dock slide?
Yeah.
You know how many feet it was?
27?
125.
Oh. There it is.
Ooh, that felt nice.
Oh my God.
That's fun.
Definitely.
Yeah! That is how it's done.
I like that a lot. Yeah, I think it's a fun obstacle to go from rail to ledge because it's kind of like a unique thing. But what we could try next time is you go rail, ledge, rail, or ledge to rail, like a lot of different combinations.
The possibilities
are endless.
A huge thanks to Ramp Tech for sending us these awesome 2.0 grind rails. If you want to send us enough to make a 100-foot grind, let me know. But until then, we got videos dropping every single day, 10 a.m. Pacific. We'll see you in the next one.